Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between 10web and Dorik AI. We want to see which website builder is better. Using the website fast, today we're comparing these two AI powered builders, that is 10web and Dorik AI. We want to see which one you should pick. Let's find out in the next few seconds. So we're going to be examining some features. The first feature we're going to examine is AI power. 10web has AI builder plus WordPress hosting, while Dorik AI has pure no-code AI builder. When it comes to ease of use, 10web has the drag and drop WordPress. It has drag and drop and it is WordPress based, while Dorik AI has super simple minimal learning. When it comes to templates, 10web has 100 plus premium design templates, while Dorik AI has about 50 plus sleek modern templates. When it comes to speed, 10web has auto-optimized hosting very fast, while Dorik is good, but it depends on your host. When it comes to pricing, 10web starts at about $10 per month, hosting included, while Dorik AI has free plan and also has paid plan from $8 per month. When it comes to what they are best for, 10web is best for blogs, e-commerce, business sites, while Dorik AI is best for portfolios, landing pages, and startups. So if you want WordPress power plus AI, go for 10web. But if you need a dead simple, no fuss builder, Dorik AI is your pick. So which one should you choose? Comment below, like and subscribe for more tech battles.